Active life tips. Tip number 1. Start your day with a short exercise routine. Whether it's a quick jog, yoga, stretching, or a home workout, this will boost your energy levels. Tip number 2. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and helps maintain bodily functions. Tip number 3. Consume a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating mindfully can help control your calorie intake and provide essential nutrients. Tip number 4. Take short breaks every hour to stretch and move around. It boosts circulation and reduces the risk of muscle strain. Tip number 5. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for physical and mental recovery, and it plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy weight and immune system.